iOS automation using Python. Congratulations for your step to upgrade yourself in network engineering career. In this slide, I will introduce you to the syllabus of Network Automation Beginner course, the skill one should possess to start in network automation career. You can take this as a module and syllabus of CCNA automation. Module 1, Python Fundamentals with respect to network automation in a very simplified way. Module 2, the baby steps of automation by Python library Netmiko. Module 3, Heart of Network Automation, Model-Driven Programmability, which includes netconf, restconf, and APIs. Module 4, Most Lovable Tool in the Industry, ANSIBLE. And in the last, Module 5, Version Control System, Git, which is an entry ticket for learning CI/CD and DevOps. So what you are going to get in this series? I decided to give you free series to let you at least understand how automation works in network engineering, so that without get overwhelmed with so much noise and hype about automation, I want you to just start small, slow but strong. 1,000-mile or a single mile journey start with very first step. So for this, first step is to understand and practice Python fundamentals. So in this free series, I am going to teach you Module 1, Python fundamentals in detail with workbooks and lab demonstration from scratch. Module 2, Python iOS automation with Netmiko library with workbook and lab demonstration from scratch. So please stay in this video. You will get to know in the end how to get free resource to practice these modules from us. So let me introduce myself. My name is Murtaza Ali and I am delighted to be here with all of you today. I have 15 years of experience working in both ISP and enterprise network, which has given me a solid foundation and extensive insight into the world of networking. I hold a bachelor degree in electronics and communication, and I am certified in a range of areas including CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE, each a testament to my dedication and expertise. Additionally, I have specialized in network automation and cloud networking, involving technologies like DevOps and various security platforms like Palo Alto and FortiGate. You can visit my website to get more details about course and myself and my team, www.netsharkacademy.com. So let's quickly scan the syllabus of each module. Module 1, Python Fundamentals. This is very first step in your automation journey. Just like building a house, you need a strong foundation before anything else. Python will be that foundation. It's simple, powerful, and widely used in network automation. In this module, we are going to cover Python initiative, setting up Python properly on the system, working with data types and variables, learning how Python stores and works with different kind of data, lists and dictionaries, powerful data structures that will help you organize information easily. We are going to cover this in detail. Input function, how to collect user input dynamically while running your script. Conditional logic, using if, elif, and else to make your script smart and decision based. Loops, learning for and while loops to repeat tasks and automate repetitive work. File handling, reading, writing, and appending data in the files. Practice with scripts. So finally, you will learn to run Python scripts on VS Code, your main development tool. By the end of this module, you will be confident with Python basics and ready to use it as the core language for automation. Module 2. Network Automation with Python library Netmiko. So now that you have Python fundamentals clear, it's time to apply them in the world of networking. A Python library is a simple reusable set of code and functions that allow us to perform tasks without reinventing the wheel. And one of the most important libraries for network engineer is Netmiko. It makes device automation through SSH not only possible but extremely simple. In this module, we are going to cover Introduction to Netmiko and SSH basics, understanding how we going to connect device securely, device connectivity with Connect Handler, your first step to logging into network device using Python. Connect Handler is the subprogram or the class in the Netmiko. We are going to see it in our module. Secure and reusable scripts using input and get pass function so your scripts work dynamically and securely. Multi-device automation with loops, running the same task across multiple devices in just a few lines of code. Device configuration with send config set function, pushing the configuration commands directly to the network devices. Dynamic configuration, making the scripts flexible using user input and Python's f-string. Data handling with files, a reading and writing from the files to perform audits and backup kind of tasks easily. So by the end of this module, you will be able to confidently automate device logins, push configuration, and collect outputs across multiple devices, all powered by Netmiko. And if you are not understanding what are the terminologies I have used in these slides, so don't worry. When we start learning the Python, it will be very easy for you to digest the things. So let's talk about accessing our resources and getting the support you need to practice these modules. First of all, these resources, including the workbook, are free. Simply join our Telegram group to request the workbook, the pre-installation guide, or the CML or EVNG file. You can scan this code right now to join the group easily. Once you are in the group, feel free to post any questions you have related to the modules and the subjects. We are committed to provide you with the support you need to succeed and understand the Python fundamentals thoroughly. Remember, the link to join the group is also available in the description of this video. Once you finish acquiring the skills mentioned in the course, you will have an edge in the industry. As per the projection, it's estimated that there will be 25% year-to-year growth in the demand of network automation engineer in the industry till 2030. For more information and detailed syllabus of our advanced course in network automation, kindly visit Netshark Academy website.